So Forex, what the hell is Forex? In this video, we're going to talk about Forex, and we're going to talk about this app that I just found. That's going to teach you about Forex, teach you how to trade Forex, and learn just everything about Forex. What is up? I am Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, over the weekend, I was on my phone. I wasn't really looking for anything, but I discovered this app that talks about Forex. Now, I always hear about Forex, and I'm like, what the hell is Forex? I hear that so many people are trading it, they're making money, but what exactly is it? And, how are people getting rich off of it? So basically, after doing a bit of research, I figured out that Forex is basically trading currencies. So one day the currency might go down, another day the currency might go up. It's kind of similar to stocks, but it's in the form of currency. Now, before you go ahead and jump into something new, you want to do some type of research on it. So this is when I went to the App Store and I basically discovered this app. Now, the app name is called Trading Game. And essentially what it is it teaches you more about Forex. But not only does it teach you about Forex, it has like simulations in it. It shows you basically how to do and dive into Forex. So right here we have 4 tabs. We have the Learn tab, the Trade tab, the Play tab, and we have the Broker tab. So in the Learn tab, essentially what you can do is you can learn more about Forex. I mean, you can go to the Forex Trading School. It has like a turbo course. And you can do the Forex University. And what I like about this, it kind of makes it a bit interactive. Each course that you complete, it has you collect some type of money. And without actually learning the Forex, you can't go into the other modules. So it basically has you learn the things before you can unlock different things. So, as somebody going into this and you want to learn stuff quickly, I'll really admit that there's not that much content in there, but the content that is there, it basically... Now, what I like about this is the Learn tab. It has a lot of meaty content in there, and you learn quite a lot without having to go through like hundreds of modules. I mean, there's about 9 modules here, and then there's about another 9 over here in the Forex University, which is great because people don't want to sit there reading a lot to learn about stuff. They want a lot of meaty information. They want to get straight to it and learn it, which I love about it. Now, it also has the trade option where it shows you exactly, it simulates how you can make or buy or sell these currencies, and it shows you. And I feel like this is great because a lot of things they'll teach you how to do it and then expect you to just go in there and learn how to do it on your own, or experience it not in a like simulated area, but you have to go out and use your real money. So right here you can battle, you can sign in, battle other people. They have like, you have a sell price, you have a buy price here, and then they also have cryptocurrency in there as well. And oil, like so much stuff in here. And lastly, we have the Play. So basically, it actually quizzes you to see if you actually learned something, and if the information that you've actually learned, that are you like maintaining it in your head? Are you getting these things right? So has you take a quiz, and you can play the game. For every correct answer you get plus 20, wrong answer you get minus 20. So pretty simple with that. And lastly, we have the brokers. So this is where they actually have you go out and do the real thing, and you can actually go ahead and trade. But as I said before, I really recommend that you go ahead and you learn first and then do the simulated trades and stuff. But once you do that, you can definitely go ahead and start trading for real. Now you may be asking, why am I talking about Forex? Why would I go from, talking about Bitcoin and all these things to Forex? Well, to be honest, I'm not gonna say that. Now, this app really stuck out to me because we don't see a lot of applications that actually break it down step by step, give you the history of Forex, teach you how to use Forex, and then give you a simulated game that shows you how to use Forex. So this is kind of like unheard of. I mean, I haven't seen anything of that sort. Usually you get people that want you to pay thousands and $2,000 to join a course to learn about Forex. But with this app, you can basically download it for free on the App Store. Again, it's called Trading Game. And also you can go ahead and watch the maker of this app. They have a YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. But we don't see applications like this, and I really want to spread applications like this because it's really essential that you can learn different avenues to making money. So there's Bitcoin, there's cryptocurrency, there's Forex, you know, there's drop shipping. There's so many ways to make money online from the comfort of your phone. So any avenue that I have access to that will help you learn, that's what I want to give to you. So go ahead, check out the app. It's free to use, guys. It's called Trading Game. Be sure to go ahead and check it out. If you're new to the channel, be sure to go and hit that subscribe button for me. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.